Take a look at the Pergola Terra Summer Dura XL, a stunning freestanding louvered pergola recently installed in Carlsbad by our expert construction team. This impressive structure, crafted by a renowned Canadian manufacturer, stands 10 feet tall and features a unique louvered roof that provides customizable shade, ventilation, and protection against the elements. Equipped with heaters and a central fan, this luxurious pergola ensures comfort in any weather year-round. The innovative design includes movable, louvered wooden back panels that can be opened up. All aspects of light, air, and access within the pergola can be effortlessly controlled via a remote, offering unparalleled convenience. This pergola acts as a perfect extension of the home, functioning as a deck or an outdoor sunroom. With full wall screens on 3 sides, it offers protection against bugs and insects, making it ideal for enjoying Southern California's beautiful outdoor living conditions. This pergola allows for the ultimate experience in modern outdoor living, a perfect addition to any San Diego home. SD Premier Outdoor, your San Diego outdoor design and construction experts.